In just 3 days, you can clean tar from lungs if you drink this. Trust me, this is the best lungs cleaning treatment for smokers. Our lungs are mostly a self-cleaning organ, but there are certain things you can do to help them function at the optimal level. A lung cleanse may be helpful for individuals who have a health condition that causes breathing difficulties such as asthma, COPD, or cystic fibrosis. You may also benefit from a lung cleanse if you are a heavy smoker or have to use certain inhaled medications. To make this magical drink, you will need chopped onion. Onion have antihistamine effect due to quercetin, antioxidant that acts like an antihistamine and an anti-inflammatory agent. In test tubes, quercetin has proven to prevent immune cells from releasing histamine, which are chemicals that cause allergic reaction. Just add 1.5 cup of chopped onion in 1 cup of water. The next thing you will need ginger. Ginger helps to break down mucus, making it easier for your body to expel air. It also helps improve circulation to the lungs and reduces inflammation. Add 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger to it. The next most effective ingredient for this detox drink is turmeric. Smoking may open the risk for different types of cancer. Studies have shown that turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancerous, and antioxidant properties. It can aid in removing harmful toxins from the body while protecting organs from further damage. Just add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to it. Add jaggery for taste and boil the whole mixture for 7 to 10 minutes. The longer the mixture boils, the more intense the flavor will be. Drink this twice a day for 3 days or after every time you smoke to help clear your lungs. Giving up smoking can be hard, but it is doable. It may seem daunting and can take a few attempts to be successful, but the longer you let your lungs take a break, the more time they have to strengthen and heal. So try to go as long as possible without smoking as you can. If you found this video helpful, please do let me know in the comment section below.